Hello everyone, so today we are with Aditya Raj Thakur and he is the oldest student of CTS from last 3 years. He joined us. So Aditya, what about your experience?
Yeah, so I just remember that day when I was scrolling YouTube and searching about how to get into abroad or how to get into top universities because I'd watched Iron Man movie and got to know about that Iron Man had got his undergrad degree from MIT. So just I was surfing and YouTube recommended me the Krishna's Bhaiya video, and first time the YouTube recommended me something good. Yeah, so I just after watching his video I just connected him on LinkedIn and he replied me. From that day my journey got started.
Yeah, amazing experience. And what about your last 7 to 8 days experience?
It was a very good experience. Firstly, the connection that I made here and the friends that I made here. I spent very much quality time here and got to know about AI, robotics, and a lot of this stuff. Also, Krishna Bhaiya, yesterday night, the Krishna Bhaiya told how to drive a bike. That was a very key lesson to me. So, thanks.
Yeah, amazing. And any kind of suggestion for all students? Any kind of suggestion?
Yeah, I'm being honest, guys. The suggestion to the new outcomers that are going to pursue abroad study is to focus on their extracurriculars. And if they don't know how to go into top university, just connect to Krishna's Bhaiya. I also know I joined his paid program called IB Accelerator program, and it benefited me a lot. Before joining this program, I don't know about essays, I don't know about what extracurriculars are, I don't know about how academics values your college application. But after joining this, they had taught very much about this. I learned a lot about essays, how to write essays, how to build an extracurriculars, and I can proudly say that all the extracurriculars that I made, we can say impact that I made is because of Krishna's Bhaiya, and I want to thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Millions of thanks, Aditya, for sharing your honest views and suggestions for all students. Thank you, Aditya. So today we are with Farhan. So Farhan, please share your experience with CTS.
Okay, so I am Farhan Hassan and I live in New Delhi. I am with the CTS from past 1 year. As one of my friend Aditya told me about this CTS community, which helps the student to study abroad. So before that, I always wondered how the students get in the foreign universities from India and all. But after coming in the guidance of the Krishna Bhaiya, he told us every possible way, how can we get into the foreign universities, how to prepare for it, how to prepare your academics for that. So that made it very easy to prepare for it. And the Krishna Bhaiya is very dedicated in this work. So it is very good to have these type of counselors, because some of the teachers just think that we will help the students only in the study hours or their work hours. But the Krishna Bhaiya have this quality that he can help us day and night whenever we ask them.
And Farhan, what about your dream university or something like that?
I want to pursue the aerospace engineering because I'm fond of these flying objects and all the things. So I want to pursue it in the Cornell University, which is well known for its aerospace and aeronautical engineering.
Okay, and I think you are a friend of Aditya. So that's the main reason you both have dream university, same dream university.
Yeah.
And what about your profile, your extracurriculars?
Okay, so I have a lot of extracurriculars. I participated in a lot of school debates and other competition in the schools of literature and all. I have published my poetry in 2 books, and I'm writing my whole story to get published. And I have to participate in the state level marathon program in Haryana. And that's all my extracurriculars till date, and I am making new ones now.
Okay, and now first time I met to Farhan in person 7-8 days ago. So I'm trying to build his extracurriculars as much as possible. Hello everyone, so today we are with Nitin Mishra. So Nitin, please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I am Nitin Mishra from Kolkata, West Bengal. I am passionate in robotics and AI, and I want to pursue mechatronics in my undergrad with minor AI, and I want to become an inventor, and my role model is Nikola Tesla.
So as we all know that you are a part of IB Accelerator program. So any experience about IB Accelerator program, any reviews, honest reviews?
Okay, so I am totally being honest. I came to know Krishna Bhaiya 1 year ago in August month, and I am searching about how to get into top universities in USA. And I came to know about Krishna Bhaiya. I have done one-on-one session with Krishna Bhaiya, and Krishna Bhaiya told me about Ivy League Accelerator program. I joined it, and on that time I don't have any single extracurriculars, but at this time I have really good 5 to 6 impactful extracurriculars. As Krishna Bhaiya said, numbers are nothing in extracurriculars. We have to show impact. So we are working on impact right now.
Hello everyone. So today we are with Atharv Kotekar. So Atharv, what about your experience about CTS offline program?
Yeah, it was a great experience, and as I explore more, I get to learn more, and it was a very playful and friendly nature over here. And yeah, it was a really awesome experience hanging out with the friends at the night, and we also did a crazy thing over here in our meantime, and also did a main job to do work in a part of a coding and robotics and other fields. So yeah, it was great.
Yeah, amazing. And you are a part of IB Accelerator program. So what about IB Accelerator program and any suggestions for other students?
Yeah, I get to know about the RV Accelerator program on I guess on an Instagram post, and they said that if you need more information, you can simply mail us. And I mailed him, and I just mailed him that I want to get to know more about this program and how it will be conducted and what's the structure of the program. And he replies me in a very quick time and elaborate the process and how it works. So I've been in a program from last 2 months, and it was it is a great program, and I get to learn more. And the most important thing I believe is you should have to be in a flow and be with the community.
Exactly.
With the same-minded peers.
Yeah, because like community is not just about connecting with people online. It's all about like get to know about them, their extracurriculars, connect them, and work on some projects, engaging projects or something like that. So I personally believe that community building is more important than just building some small extracurriculars. Yeah. So thank you, Adar, for your experiences. And anything else you want to share, like any specific experiences during this last 8 days?
I want to share some crazy story. On the second day last night, we were playing Truth or Dare, and Aditya chose Dare at a late night at 1 a.m. in the morning, I guess. And we sent him to buy a petrol in a bottle, in a 100 ml bottle, of 10 rupees. And he literally went over there, and we were just recording videos and some other stuff, and the petrol pump guy said we can't give you this in a bottle because that's the law, and we were just making fun of him in a late night evening.
Yeah, amazing. So there are like countless stories and countless funny moments, because it's not just about 1 week program. It's all about enjoy your life, do what you can, and something crazy.